Parents who are hoping to enroll their children in 6 popular primary schools will face a ballot following the latest phase of the Primary 1 registration exercise that ended today. And that's phase 2A2, which is for children whose parents or siblings previously studied at the school. It's also open to kids whose parents are staff members and those who are enrolled in a co-located MOE kindergarten. Nanyang Primary had the highest demand, with 34 children vying for 11 vacancies. The other oversubscribed schools are Catholic High, Nanhua Primary, Pei Hua Presbyterian Primary, Red Swastika and Rawson. The results will be out on Friday, and the next phase of registration will open on the 22nd of July. And it's for children whose parents are school volunteers, members of affiliated churches or clans, or active community leaders.